Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you how to update specific data from MongoDB in Node.js. Yeah, let's start. So before that, I want to let you know one thing. Here I already connected this Node.js project with the MongoDB, and also I'm creating API by using this Express. If you don't know how to do those things, just see this video. Here I just explain how to create and connect our MongoDB with Node.js, and also here I just explain how to create API by using Express, and here I just explain how to create and run the Node.js project, and here I just explain how to run our project by using this node mode. Yeah, let's start. So here I'm going to create a put API app.put because it is update API, So here, slash API slash update, and we'll get ID. And this is async. We need to wait until we get a response. And request and response is defined, and here const ID. Here request dot param will get ID in this. Okay, and first I'll just console this ID. I'll just save this. Need to call this API. Okay, so I'm just copying this. Our port number is 4000. Okay, just create new one. It should be put and paste that, and this is update this API and paste that. And anyhow, we're going to update any one of this data, so I'm just copying this ID, and after slash paste that, first I'll just click on send. We didn't pass any response, that's the reason it is continuously loading. Okay, we'll see whether we get output, ID. See, our ID is printed here, and after that I'll just get a payload here, data. Okay, here we'll get data inside this request dot body, and I'll just create a update code. Okay, try and catch error. Here I'll just send rest dot send this error, because if we get any error means I just send this error. Okay, and here const result, and we'll get all value inside this user collection. This is where we will get a update data, this one. Okay, so now I want to update the value, so we need to pass ID, so copy that, this ID should be like underscore with this ID colon new, and our ID present inside this object ID. Okay, so same thing, we need to add object ID. This is coming from this MongoDB, this one. Okay, here, and we need to pass our ID, this ID, copy that and paste it here, and it should be wait, forgot to add that. And finally we need to pass our value here inside $set colon and our new data, and I'll just console this value. We'll get some value if it is updated. Yep, now our API is ready. So here we need to create our body content. Okay, payload. So inside body, click on this raw, it should be JSON. Here we need to update this name and age. Okay, so name colon, his name is rest data, and age is something like this. And if I click send, it is continuously load because we didn't send any response. Yeah, see here, modification count is 1. This got printed here. Okay, so if the modification count is 1 means data added successfully. We'll just see here, see right now test rest. Okay, if I reload this rest data, also age is also updated. Okay, so if this modification count is greater than 1 means we'll just send the response as this value coming inside this rest, so dot this, and if it is greater than 0 means I'll just send response dot send updated successfully. Okay, else we'll just send it's like id not found or something like that. Okay, rest dot send here id not found. First I'll just modify this data to something like this number and this id. Okay, I click send. See, we'll get update, and if I change this to one, yeah, we'll just check here. See, right now this is our data, rest data. If I click reload, see, value got updated, and if I click send again, it will show id not found value because we sending the same payload. That's the reason it is not updating. Also, if I modified this to something like new and it's like this, if I click send, see, updated successfully here as well. Value got updated, and if I modify this with some other id, it is not present means if I click send, id not found. Yep, this is how you can update a value from MongoDB in Node.js. Yeah, this is what I tried to tell you today. I think this will help you. Bye bye.